Am I the only white person out here who is fed up? Outraged by police killings of unarmed African American men and teens.
Outraged that African American men are 6 times more likely to be incarcerated than whites for the same crimes.
Outraged by racially motivated hate speech on college campuses and in the media.
Outraged that African American women are paid on average only 64 cents for every dollar I'm paid.
White
Silence is violence.
Are we the only white people that are outraged? Together, let's make some noise. White noise.